Now it's recording.
Oh yeah.
Hello, this is Nancy today. We are in this is the Rapids. This is the best place in the summertime. From the time the children have been big enough to actually manage being in these rapids, they've been coming here. The lake is passé. Here we have other people, you see, trying to get on the rock. Come on, Tootie. Hi.
I feel like I'm 2 pounds.
Oh my God! You should tell Ronnie to go on Nancy today, and he'll see you. Hello, people! I don't have my hat on, I know. You probably don't even know who it is. But I have on my wetsuit because there's no way I'm getting cold. Are you guys grabbing high rock? Daniel, grab it! Amy, are you on?
Oh,
He was. Oh, damn. That's the best, eh? When it just grabs you and you're just going. Look at how fast you go.
Yeah, you go fast, eh?
Oh,
You guys missed me going down so fast. They ended up all the way down here.
Yeah, I had a dragonfly thing on.
It catches you and takes you down. Well, you can do this if you come here too. Bye. Push the button down.